Onpassive is showering love on humanity with this gift of O Cademy. Educators can bring out the best in themselves and the students they teach. This is a treasure that will reward all those dedicated, unappreciated, tireless workers who have done the best that they could with what was on the market before Onpassive. Introducing O Cademy to the world of e-learning. Instead of being confined to a specific area, O Cademy has opened the entire globe to anyone who is qualified to teach. Student debt for higher education will be drastically reduced. O Cademy will give the educators the ability to teach a few or many. It will be their decision. They will oversee their careers. Parents will have less anxiety and stress knowing that their children are in the good, safe, and loving hands of educators using O Cademy's vast sources of learning to educate their children. All students, young and old, will be protected from the elements of the weather and pandemics. There will be less anxiety in classrooms because the students will be in the safe and warm environment of their homes. Brick-and-mortar institutions of learning will be seriously impacted by O Cademy and educators using these products. Thanks to Mr. Mufareh, a brilliant and highly educated man who saw a need to fill the void the e-learning companies were leaving. One of his desires has been to do what he could to eliminate illiteracy worldwide and reach those countries where that problem is widespread, devastating generations of people who cannot afford to educate their people sufficiently and for them to get a job to be able to provide for their families. O Cademy gives them a cost-effective way to do this. O Cademy is interactive, so nothing is missing between the educators and the students. With O Cademy, no student is left behind. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, and your very talented and hardworking staff for giving the world of e-learning O Cademy. Now the world of education has all it needs in O Cademy. O Cademy is simple but sublime. AI technology will lead its users by their hands with tutorials on how to use O Cademy. Educators of the world, meet your best friend, O Cademy. All dedicated, hardworking, and caring educators have a platform will be used to take higher learning to a new plateau. Many will benefit and make a better life for themselves and their families. All founders express a deep love and gratitude for the technological and creative geniuses at our Indian branch of Onpassive. We wholeheartedly applaud you for this incredible accomplishment. Never has there been, or ever will there be, another staff like yours. With just this one product that you have created, it will resonate for decades in the hearts and minds of those touched by its arrival. Your dedication, loyalty, and skills show how much you care about O Cademy and Onpassive. Having members of your staff working on one product shows how important O Cademy is to you and our CEO and creator of Onpassive, Mr. Mufareh, the ultimate employer of the best talent from the best high-tech giants in the industry. Millions who doubted Onpassive will rush to become customers of O Cademy. Mr. Mufareh has created a masterpiece, O Cademy.